Let's have a look at the easiest way to make stickers on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's jump on in. The first thing you want to do is to open up the Photos app. Then simply open up the photo that you would like to use to make a sticker from. Then long tap on the photo. And you will then either directly see Add Sticker on the screen, and if you don't see that, tap on this arrow symbol right here. And that sticker should then pop up, and then tap on it. This will add the sticker to your list with stickers. Now the stickers that you're seeing right here, you can use these stickers whenever you use the Messages app on the iPhone. However, these stickers are not going to pop up if you use a messaging app like WhatsApp or Telegram, for example. However, there is an easy workaround for that, and here it is. When you long tap on the photo that you would like to use to make a sticker like we did before, instead of tapping on Add Sticker right here, what you're going to do is you're simply going to tap on Copy, and this is actually going to copy that sticker. Now when you go to a messaging app like WhatsApp, for example, just long tap in the message field and then tap on Paste. And this is automatically going to add the sticker to WhatsApp. And when you tap on Send, this will send the sticker in the chat, but at the same time this will also save your sticker as a WhatsApp sticker. So in the future you will be able to use the sticker again and again within WhatsApp, as it will be saved to your list with WhatsApp stickers. To access your list with WhatsApp stickers, all you need to do is to tap on the sticker icon here at the bottom. And you will then indeed see that the sticker that we just used is right here. And it will always be there in this list from now on. And this is the easiest way to make stickers on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you would like to know how to make and use animated stickers on Instagram, then make sure to watch the next video on this channel.